In this video, we'll look at how we can reuse data by copying the data, then pasting the data using special pasting options. So we have an existing data here. If we want to copy this, we just have to select all of these. Then we can right click and copy, or we can use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy. So after copying, you have different options for pasting. So when you select this, then you just click paste. You see how everything will be pasted here for you. So in this case, you've pasted all the formatting, including the formula and everything. So when you click inside here, you see the formula was copied with the cell. All the formatting were copied. So if you don't want to paste this way, then after selecting the cell where you want to start pasting from, you go to paste and come to paste special. So if you want to paste just the values, you can do that. So you select values here, then you click OK. So it has been pasted for you, but this time without the formatting. So for instance, if you click here, you see that it is just the value that is pasted, no formatting. There's another way of also pasting. So when you select this cell, you go to paste special. You can paste just the link. So in that case, when you make a change to the source, it will affect the data here. So for instance, if I go here and change the score of Mary to 80 now or 89, when I go to that sheet, you see that the data for Mary, the score is also changed to 89. But if you come to the others, it has not changed, it's still 70. You can also reuse this data in a different way by transposing it. That means you copy it such that the rows becomes the column and the columns becomes the row. So to do that, you can just select the cell's content, then you copy. So after copying, you have to paste it by transposing it. So you can click the cell that you want to start from. So you right click. There's another way of pasting. So you right click and go to the paste special, then you click paste special. So this is another way of accessing the paste special. Either you access it from here or you access it by right clicking. So over here, you just have to click transpose, then you click OK. So you can see that the rows here has become the column, the first column. Second row has become the second column in that order. So that is how you could quickly reuse that data that you have here. So you can see that everything is intact over here to the last one over here. Sometimes too, you can automatically fill cells with content from adjacent columns using fresh fill. So for instance, if you come to this cell, maybe we want to separate the first names from the last names, and we want to get them in different columns. So we can insert some columns here. Then let me right click the insert column. Another one is another column here. So I want to get the first name and the second names different in different columns. We have this one here. So Excel can recognize this pattern that I've set. So when I click here and I come to fill and I click fresh fill, it will continue all the first names here for me. And when I come here and I click here and go to fresh fill, it will finish all the ones here for me. You can also insert data into an existing data range in Excel. How do we do that? So we have this sheet here. We can insert the columns that we just created here into that sheet that we have there. So how do we do that? So you can select these columns that you have created here and copy it. So I copy. After copying it, let's go to where we want to paste it. So I'll select this cell here. Then I'll come to insert, as you can see here. So we are going to insert copied cells. So you click that. So you have the insert paste here. So the insert paste dialog box comes for you to decide whether you want to shift cells down or to shift cells to the right. So we want it to shift to the right. We want this cell to shift to the right. So we click OK. So that we have this thing pasted for us in between the topics and the names of students. So thank you very much for always returning to this channel to watch these videos on Microsoft Excel. More videos will be coming very soon. So please remember to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so yet. See you in the next video.